Installation of the dispenser is easy and only takes a few minutes. Mounting should comply with ADA guidelines. Compliance is the responsibility of the installer. The dispenser can be installed by direct mount or by bracket mount. To mount the dispenser directly to a wall, open the cover using the provided access key and position the dispenser so the bottom of the unit is level. The recommended distance from the bottom of the dispenser to the floor is 41 to 45 inches. Mark the screw locations where indicated. Secure the dispenser to the wall with 4 screws and appropriate anchors. To mount the dispenser using brackets that are sold separately, first assemble the brackets by connecting the sides. Ensure the arrows are pointing upwards and the top is level before marking screw locations. The recommended distance from the bottom of the bracket to the floor is 46 to 51 inches. Peel the paper from both sides of the adhesive and adhere to the mounting brackets. Apply the bracket to the wall with firm pressure. Use 4 screws with appropriate anchors to secure the bracket. Fit the dispenser onto the bracket and lock it into place by gently pulling downwards.